excited to finally got this keyboard in. Been waiting. It was a really fast group buy from Neo Keys. I guess faster than most anyway. So I think I bought it early November. That's when the group buy ran. And then got the text the other day that it was being shipped out. Came in from China in like 3 days. So you can't beat that. Keyboard from group buy to on my desk in less than 2 months. So each of the plates are protected by this coating. Each one of them come like this. So there's 11 layers of acrylic that go together to build this up. And then this is what the layer looks like. And I've already been messing with this a little bit, so I've got some switches. There were some people that had some questions about various things on the build, and so I've been messing around with it, trying to answer questions in the Neo Discord. So some playing around. Anyway, carbon fiber. And then there's a switch foam. And then the PCB. This is a solder PCB. I didn't want the hot swap. I've already installed Durock stabilizers. There's a Durock V2. And then it has underglow for the gamer RGBs. And it is gasket mount. I am going to use the standoffs. One of the guys in Discord released or did some work and RGBs. Put together because this was not VIA compatible when it shipped. And one of the guys, let's see, so I can jump up here and give him some credit. Yep, Arnak. And then Notch Bomber and Digital Aaron, they all work together to port this over from GMK, which is they created a hex file, and then they also created a VIA key map that matches this board as it came programmed. So I just downloaded it, installed it, flashed it, no problem. But I have not tested the PCB yet after doing this flash. So let's take a look. Before I do that, I'm going to put the gaskets on this. So that's what the feet look like, or the gasket. So on the underside of the plate, you use there's two different versions of the gaskets. You have the clear silicone ones, and then you have like a white. They're a little bit thicker. 3mm compared to 2mm. All right, now that I got the bottom on, I'm going to go ahead and put this together. Yeah, that would have been a pain to get that on. 2 more. All right, so the switches I'm using, Gateron Black inks. Lubed and filmed. Really like how the black inks sound. Just making sure all of them are fully seated. Man, I'm getting some movement out of them, clicking and cracking and so we didn't look at these earlier. These are the 4 strips of acrylic that make up the feet. Nice. And then I guess it's these little 3 small ones. All right. And we got the bottom. Good angle. Anyway, yeah, what I was saying, I really like that frosted acrylic. I'm glad I went with that colorway. There was some other guys in there that they had lots of different colors to choose from, and I thought I'd go on the safe side, or at least the side where I could change the keycaps, if I wanted to at a later date. We are ready to solder, and it is a gasket mount. I'll put the other gaskets on after I get finished here. They go here, here, here. So there's 6 gaskets. Matrix. Why does that not work? What is going on with the backspace? Did that to me earlier. To default. And if you go to tester, never mind. Whatever. It works. My camera's been acting up the last couple times. We had the issue with the cyber corn. It was pretty funny. I was watching Bueno builds the other day. Another builder. His camera did the same thing mine did. Anyway. Happy New Year's, guys. That hit the spot. Gaskets on. I think it looks pretty good. Pretty straight. Yeah, I got the they're basically clear, but they're like a frosted. There was another version that was completely clear, but I didn't think that would look right. So I got the frosted one. But he had a lot of other colorways. Yeah, I think yeah. I thought the frosted looked pretty good too. But they had one that was called Void. That one looked really good. I should have bought two of them. Because I'm seeing, they were just released like this week. And the guys or the people that bought it, they're starting to build them and post pictures, and I'm not jealous at all at the other colors. Yeah, I think Void was all black. We'll take a look in just a minute at the different colorways after I get this all built up. They had like a red one, lots of, and then you could actually do your own build, but you choose the colors. I thought about doing that to try to match my Miami Nights, my pink and blue color way that I, as you can tell by the stream. I want to say there was about 10 presets, I think. Oh, you're on the site now, yeah. There's going to be a round 2. He said sometime next year. He has the next one he's running is an all carbon version of this exact same board. So every layer is going to be a carbon fiber. It actually looks pretty good. I actually bought me the Key Cult wrist rest. Can't afford the keyboard. Go ahead and buy the wrist rest. Next best thing, right? What was amazing on this keyboard, it went into group buy in early November. I bought it, I think the 16th of November. That was the group buy time. And it's already here. It's a little more than a month. From group buy to delivery. That's pretty good. So this was one of my buys that I really liked. Where you at? Focus. 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 Come on. And then the other one was the Pillars of Miami. So that one's Dwarf Factory. You can do exclamation point artisan to see what the two are. And that one's the Pillars of Miami from Gothcaps. All right. Well, there it is. I'm going to do a little cleanup. Then we'll do a typing test. It's going to sound beast. So, we've got the Neo Keys Palette G67 built with Gateron Black inks Has a carbon fiber plate. It's 11 layers of acrylic, including 4 for the feet. I got the Frost colorway. Pretty nice. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus on the USB. All in all, pretty impressed. Test mods. Well, that's got an artisan on it, but yes. Okay. Redo. This time. Wrist rest. I suck at typing, but this board sounds awesome. But thanks for coming out. Thanks for watching. Kind of jonesing for some Destiny too. So I'm going to jump in game. I will catch y'all next time.